and Vianna here, and we're doing a cheek cell DNA extraction kit, and this is what it looks like. And for us to do this extraction kit, you would need waters, and any water, drinking water would be fine, and rubbing alcohol. You can use any percent, 70 or higher would be fine. So first thing we're going to do is open this up, and we got the conical tube, which has salt in there. And 2 of the pipette here.
What's a pipette?
It's just to help you extract things, and to you dispose of one solution into another.
So like
solution.
a medicine dropper?
Yeah.
Okay.
A dropper. And a small blue tube here, which has a soap inside, and an empty tube. So the first thing we're going to do is open up this big tube here with the blue caps, and it has salts inside, and we want to pour water in there up to about 15 milliliters. And we also have an instruction in there just in case you want to read it and follow it. Alrighty, so close that back up. Okay. And you want to mix it. Just tilt it back and forth to mix all the salt and the water together. Okay, once that dissolves, we want to drink the solution into your mouth, but don't drink it. Just have it in your mouth.
Okay.
Swish but don't swallow, is
Yes,
that what you're
swish
thinking?
and don't swallow. And you want to get your hand and squish it around a little bit just to break off some of the cheeks cell in there. And that's about a minute you want to do that. This is the fun process. Try not to laugh.
Don't make him laugh.
Try not to laugh.
Okay, you're halfway. So you have 30 more seconds.
Okay, and once that, after you're done squishing around, you want to pour it back into that tube right there.
Okay, give another 10 seconds. You're good.
Okay. Now you want to get the eyedropper and the soap, and you want to get the soap into this eyedropper. Do you need help with that?
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay, and you want to use the eyedropper just to get the soup to pour into that solutions.
Do you have to get all of the soap out?
No, you don't. You want to get as much as you can, but you don't have to do every job. And the reason why we want to do that is that we think that the soap will help break the DNA cell and just get the DNA out of there.
I think he's having too much fun with that eyedropper there.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we got pretty much
Yeah.
most of it.
Most of it.
Okay. Next we want to just close the lid back up and just tilt it back and forth just to mix it. But don't mix it too much. You don't want to get bubble. And that will just makes it hard for you to see. A little bit more.
What was the old 60s song, Rock Me Gently?
But how old must you be that you know that song?
Older than dirt.
So once that's mixed, next you want to add the alcohol into it. And you want to pour about the same amount, which is the 15 milliliter. Add extra there.
And what does the alcohol do?
It just helps separate the water from the soaps, and just so the DNA can float up and you can actually see it.
Okay, there we go.
And did you say that was room temperature alcohol?
No, those this alcohol's been sitting in the fridge, in the freezer overnight, and that's how you want it.
So we want really, really cold alcohol.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now just close it back up and just let it sit, and then you can watch all the DNA, the cheek cell DNA flow up. And it sort of look like a little ladder with little bubbles on it.
Hmm. And actually, right now the bubbles are in a place that I can call them between the alcohol water and salt water. But after some seconds, it's gonna build like a ladder or some other shape. But they're not gonna stay on the bottom. They're gonna make they're gonna ascend, increase, you know. And then you will see all the little tiny bubbles.
Are you seeing anything in there yet?
Yeah.
Right now, it's getting
It's slowly
getting
floating
shape.
up.
Can you give us a close-up on that?
Of course, it's getting shape.
And the little strands of DNA are in the clear liquid on top, in the alcohol.
Yeah, that's where it's gonna take a shape. It starts on the bottom, but then for some seconds, it's gonna take ladder or a little chain up.
So it's a little elevator that moves
Yeah.
it to the top?